Hey coffee lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a rich and creamy toasted coconut caramel latte that tastes like a tropical cafe vacation in every sip. This cozy homemade latte combines bold espresso, sweet caramel, and perfectly toasted coconut for an unforgettable flavor combination. It's easy, comforting, and absolutely delicious. Grab your favorite mug, warm up your espresso machine, and let's create this amazing cafe-style coffee drink together today. Ingredients: 1 shot espresso or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, 1 cup milk or coconut milk, 2 tablespoons caramel sauce, 2 tablespoons toasted shredded coconut, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla. Extract whipped cream, extra caramel drizzle for topping directions. Start by lightly toasting the shredded coconut in a dry skillet over medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Stir constantly until the coconut turns golden brown and fragrant, then remove from heat and set aside. Brew a fresh shot of espresso or prepare strong coffee. In a small saucepan, combine the milk, brown sugar, vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of caramel sauce. Heat gently while whisking until the mixture is warm and slightly frothy. Stir in half of the toasted coconut for extra flavor. Pour the espresso into your favorite mug and slowly add the warm caramel milk mixture. Stir gently to combine the rich coffee and sweet caramel flavors together perfectly. Top the latte with whipped cream, extra caramel drizzle, and the remaining toasted coconut for a beautiful cafe-style finish. Serve immediately and enjoy this smooth, cozy, tropical-inspired latte, packed with caramel sweetness and toasted coconut goodness in every sip. Thank you so much for watching today's toasted coconut caramel latte recipe video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this creamy, cozy, cafe-style coffee drink right at home. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments below how you liked it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more delicious coffee recipes and comforting drink inspiration every week. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.